to my channel, Candy's Hair Diary. Happy New Year, everyone. Hope everyone had a wonderful end of the year, or I guess as wonderful as we could have been with everything that's going on. Jesus, Lord, I hope 2021 is going to be so much better than 2020 was, because y'all already know. I've never seen anything like this in my lifetime. So yeah, anyways, hope everybody had an amazing Christmas and Happy New Year. I would like to say welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Thank you Jesus. Thank you Jesus for my new subscribers, and thank you guys for tuning into my channel and hitting that like and subscribe button. So today's video will be the good, the bad, and the ugly of this hair. So I've had this hair in now, guys, for about a month. This is the Amella body wave. This is the 18-inch closure. I got an 18, 20, 22, and 24. So I used all of the 24, all of the 22, and half of the 20, because I double tracked the 24 and the 22, and then single tracked the 20, and then of course I applied the 18-inch closure. So where should we start? Pros. Let's start with the good. So the good of this hair, y'all, as y'all can see, like even after a month, it is really soft. It does not matte, and let me tell y'all, I do not wrap this hair. And by the way, this is not paid. They don't pay me nothing. Let me tell you, they ain't paid me nothing for this review. But this hair, I don't sleep with it wrap. I do sleep with the regular satin headscarf on. And I just put this hair in a ponytail, wrap it around, twirl it around, and put another ponytail holder on it, and my curls still come out looking like this, y'all. Like, I can go literally 2 weeks without curling this hair if I do that method. And if y'all want me to do a video on that, let me know in the comment section, and I will be sure to do that. So what was I saying? Yeah, like, this hair is still soft. I've washed it once, and because I colored it this red, I pretty much just co-wash it, and I'll do a color defense shampoo and sit under the dryer because it is cold, and I need my hair under here to be dry as well instead of working out with a wet head. So yeah, this hair, I have not experienced any tangling or matting. It holds curls beautifully, and it straightens very well. Even though this is the body wave, it's not hard to straighten anyways, but it straightens very well. Like I said, I have not bleached this hair yet, which I will be doing a video because my mom wants some of this hair, but she wants blonde. So I will be doing a video on that to show you if this hair takes well to bleach. I do know I used High Lift Red, L'Oreal High Lift Reds, so it did take like a little dark blonde burgundy. I don't know if you guys can kind of see it. Yeah, so I put it in here, and I left the roots a bit dark. This is the closure. I left a little bit of my edges out so it can look a little bit natural and whatnot, and I left like even if I put it back, y'all can see it, so that it kind of looks like my hair a little bit. So yeah, so anyways, okay, so that's the good. Let's see, trying to make sure I didn't leave nothing out for the good part. Okay, so let's get to the bad. The bad part is even though this hair does not matte, it does shed. And I'm like, like I can go through here and I will see, it's not like a lot, but it does have more shedding than I would like for it to be, especially with a straighter texture. I can understand it, I can understand with like a curlier texture, but because it's like a looser texture, like I wouldn't expect as much shedding as it does. Like I said, it's not like extreme, like, oh my God, I'm never gonna buy this hair again. I'm gonna buy this hair again. But I'm just saying, it sheds a little bit more than my personal preference. And like, that's pretty much it as far as bad. Like, I don't, besides the shedding, and I have to tune into my next video to see if it colors blonde, because I can't tell you that much yet. So yeah. And then the ugly, like, there's barely any bad, so there's really no ugly. Like I said, I've had it in for a month, and this was for 3 bundles and a closure. I spent $147, and I got this hair off of Amazon, if I forgot to mention. Got this hair off of Amazon. So like, I will definitely be ordering this brand again. And like I said, it holds curls very, very well. And I use my Fabulous curling iron. I have not did it with my my barrel curlers yet to see how that goes, but like, yeah. So I would definitely say, y'all, if y'all want me to put, well, I'll put the link in here anyways, so y'all can see how this hair is. And yeah, y'all can see it's like around there. Yeah. So yes, guys, if y'all looking for some new hair, y'all on a budget, and y'all like, y'all ain't trying to spend $400-500 on some bundles, you know what I'm saying? Hit up Amazon. Don't be afraid to try some of their vendors. But anyways, like I said, thank you guys for coming to check my video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, you can subscribe to my, or follow my hair Instagram page, same name, Candy's Hair Diary. Look me up. And yeah, and y'all, I think for the new year, I'm not gonna say this is gonna be a resolution, because you know how resolutions can go. So y'all see, I ain't come over here looking raggedy like sometimes I know I be. But as a new mom, like, be pressed for time. I'm like, look, I'm just trying to get this video. Y'all gonna see me at the end. I'm gonna look like something, at least towards the end. But I said, let me start looking like something. Not look homeless sometimes. Y'all know I love y'all. But anyways, and I don't know, y'all might see Dylan on the next video. I'm trying to get this video in while he taking a nap. So yeah. So like I said, thank you guys for checking out my videos. And again, Happy New Year. Let's hope and pray that this year is better than what we've had, Jesus. And yeah, see y'all and catch y'all on the next video. Peace.